These are TikTok skincare trends that we need to put immediate stop to. These TikTok skincare trends, we have to end them with immediate alacrity. Hello everybody, my name is Damilola. In case you're seeing me for the first time, where have you been? Please do not be a stranger here. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, I really want to sit down and be putting these videos and be explaining them and be reacting to them, but I don't know if it's going to be copyright or anything, and I'm trying to avoid that. So let's get right into it. Number one TikTok skincare trend that needs to end is DIY skincare. If you've been here for a while, then you will know my stance when it comes to DIY skincare. Being there, done that, I will not recommend for anybody. And if you've been doing it, this is the time to put a big stop to it. Let's start with the people that mix lemon, lime, and toothpaste for acne. Guys, that thing is a big scam. It doesn't work. Never has, never will. Don't listen to anybody that is telling you, this is what I use, this is what I kinikon. You don't have to spend kinikon on. Yeah. Skincare is such a good investment that you will not regret. But this video is not for that. I'm just here to tell you not to listen to anyone that tells you to use lemon and tooth. How does it even work? I don't know the science behind it. There's no... I'm trying not to get too personal with this video, but guys, these are real issues. I'm not just forming them. Every point I make, you can put them on a TikTok search bar and you just see things for yourself. People are doing things. People are doing stuff. Still talking about DIY. You guys use kitchen stuff for your face. Baking soda, turmeric, apple cider, raw eggs, pepper. Please stop. It's not funny. Please stop it. I don't even know the people that started this this trend on TikTok. But my own is that it has to stop. Most especially because it is causing more harm than good. It does not have any good. It's causing a lot of harm. So yeah, it has to stop. Talking about DIY, some of you try to like vacuum your pores yourself. There's nothing you don't use. Nothing you don't use. You say you want to suction out your blackheads, whiteheads. If you will not do it in a safe way, do not do it yourself. There are professionals for a reason. Especially if you know you don't have the patience to use skincare products that will get rid of them. Go to professionals, I beg you. Number two is over exfoliating. It is usually like 8 to 10 steps, skincare routine of active ingredients. You will overload your skin with active ingredients. Then you start wondering why your skin barrier is damaged, or you start wondering why your hyperpigmentation is getting worse, or you start... Please stop it. It's not funny. I feel like I need to do this video with a straight face, but I'm really trying because... Stop it. In the same routine, some of you use retinoids, you use your AHAs, you use your BHAs, you use your antioxidants, you overload your skin in the same routine. You can imagine a skincare routine that looks like this. Glycolic acid wash, salicylic acid toner, mandelic or lactic acid serum, vitamin C serum, whatnot, moisturizer, retinoids. The way I'm even saying it, my body is doing me somehow. Guys, please stop it. If you've been doing that, it will damage your whole skin barrier. And you all know when the skin barrier is damaged, nothing works. In fact, the skin is now more vulnerable to a lot of things like sun damage, to hyperpigmentation, to a lot of things. So yeah, please don't overload your skin. In fact, leave exfoliation for nighttime routine. And because I have said you should leave exfoliation for nighttime routine does not now mean that you should overload the skin with a lot of exfoliants. And let's do better. Some of you are like shading, especially for the face. The skin on the face is even thin than the body. Is not as thick as the one for the body, and that's why some people keep complaining about, oh, my skin is very sensitive, oh, my skin barrier is always damaged. Yeah, because you're an allergy, do better. Please, let's do better. And let's come together to put an end to these TikTok skincare trends. Please. While I was doing my research for this video, I found out that some of you are now aestheticians and dermatologists. Because tell me why some of you are now injecting yourself at home. Hyaluronic acid injection pens. I know you shame me. Some of you buy these things, you say for your wrinkles, for your this, for your that, without prior knowledge on how to use them. You have mind though. Do you know some of these things can even cause blindness? Not just blindness, severe whatever. There are a lot of things that dermatologists have come out to warn people to stop doing. That if not, these things could happen to them. What? Whoever started that trend, may God forgive you. Because what? I'm not even against fillers, Botox, or all of these things. It's not my business. You're not taking money for it's not my business. So I'm not telling you not to get them, but at least do it the right way. You owe that to yourself. If you really need to get fillers or Botox or whatever, go to people that are experienced. Do not just even go to people. Make sure you go to people that are experienced, because these things usually stay for a while. And I know you can dissolve them, you can remove them, but think about the process of going through that again. If I'm talking about, if you go to the ones that are not really experienced, to quack. Let me just call it them what they are. You know, you have mind, Elia, because please, let's do the right things. And let's put an end to this skincare, to this TikTok skincare trends. Like I said, I wish I could play those videos so that you guys will see that I'm not just speaking these things from my head. You can, again, put them in search bar on TikTok and see the things that people are doing. It's wonderful. Please. Oh my God. Another thing that I found out is people are now doing sunscreen contouring. There's nothing I don't see on TikTok. Hey guys, when I tell people these things, sometimes they'll say I'm exaggerating until I bring out my phone and I show them these things. What do you mean we are now doing sunscreen contour? Kí ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? You only put sunscreen on these highlighted areas, and the consequence is not far-fetched. What will happen is only that place will stay what's it called? Will stay toned, and the rest of your face will be even toned. It will be darker than the place you are putting concentration. Because what do you mean by sunscreen contour? Please, let's stop it. So what I think about sometimes is when people come with these trends, when somebody sits in their house and just sets the same way I'm sitting down to record video, and they start telling you to do this, do this, do this, do that, do you not verify if it's true? Or, and that's why sometimes when I'm making these videos, I tell you guys to sometimes don't take my words for it. Do your own research too. If somebody has said something, you owe it to yourself to confirm whether it is true or not, whether they are your popular influencers or the people that you trust with your whole life. At least, even doctors, when people go to the hospital, well, I do that. When they tell you to do stuff, sometimes you check what is in the medications they have given you. You check. I mean, it's just the right thing to do. Sunscreen contour. Stop it. Some of you also try to remove your skin mole and skin tags yourself. In case you don't know what that is, I'm going to put it on the screen. Some of you will say you want to remove your skin tags or moles with thread. Some of you will buy chemical peels creams, you apply it. Some people will say, oh, put knife on stove. When it becomes hot, put it on it. Some people will say, Jesus Christ, you use sharp tools to cut them. Guys, I'm not making these things up. These are things that are really happening. Most times, not even most times, every time when you try to do these things yourself, what it leaves behind is most times worse than what you are trying to get rid of. Why are you cutting yourself? Why are you burning your skin? Because you want to, now you will now be left with how to treat the burn. how to get rid of hyperpigmentation that will come with it. It's okay if you want to remove your tag. Not everyone likes it. Not everyone likes to see them on their skin. But at least do it the right way. That's what I'm saying. That's the main reason for making this video. Do it the right way. If you don't want these things, if you want to get new things, I'm not against it, but just do it the right way. Go to a dermatologist, go to an aesthetician. And I know you say they do not come cheap. This kitchen stuff, over the counter things, they will help you to quickly get rid of. You're doing yourself. I don't even know what else to say to you. You are not doing me. A word is enough for the wise, so. The last one for this video is one that I'm really particular about. I heard that you are also doing on TikTok. Oh. I heard people are also doing no moisturizer challenge. Let me tell you, and it's especially for people with oily and acne prone skin. Don't join them. Oh. It's a lie. I know they will tell you that your skin is already oily, so you shouldn't. You don't need moisturizer. You don't do this. You don't do that. I'm telling you that it's a lie. You need moisturizer. If you do not use moisturizer, your skin will produce more oil. Now you might say, if I will use sunscreen in the morning and my sunscreen is very thick, or my sunscreen gives me a lot of moisture, do I still need moisturizer? That is a valid reason to skip moisturizer. If you have a sunscreen that is very thick and you are certain that after every other step and you go in with it, your skin is still Gucci. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about not using moisturizer at all, ditching moisturizer totally in all of your routines just because you have an oily skin. Don't join that trend. It's a devilish TikTok skincare trend. Do not do it. Do not join. Don't follow them. Slowly, your skin barrier will get damaged. Slowly, you are at the risk of dehydration. Your skin slowly. It's a lot of slowly. Sometimes it's not even slowly. It just springs. You just see it and you'll be like, that be do. I feel like I've said so much for this video. Okay, I'm sure with this few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that all the TikTok skincare trends that I've discussed need to be abolished. We need to put an end to them. Together, we have to come together as humans to eradicate and put an end to these trends, please. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me today again. It means so much to me. Please make sure you subscribe. Some of you are watching and are not subscribing. Please help me be a part of this community. Please like. Let me know if there are other videos you also want to see. Yeah, tell me the things you want me to talk about, and please share and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to know anytime I drop amazing videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Till then, please be kind to your skin and all of that good stuff. Bye, guys. Mwah. Love you.